Hi, my name's Wade Perry. The name of my farm is Tegrdy Farm. I've been growing this 5 weeks now. I got my tubs from a friend of mine in Mississippi, and me and my neighbor built these boxes, the wooden boxes, out of some cedar boards I had, and just put rotten hay. That's all I got in, just rotten hay. I got a horticultural bush beans, lima beans, Christmas butter beans, and more horticulture beans in the back, corn.
Oh yeah, let's walk and look at your corn, Wade.
Yeah, I got the corn.
The corn's impressive, guys. This is 5 weeks. Look at that.
Yep, the corn looks good. Actually, everything here is 5 weeks old since that freeze we had.
Yeah, the freeze.
5 weeks ago.
The freeze took everything.
Killed everything, had to start over. But,
Now, did you start with seed or did you start with transplants?
Seeds.
These are beautiful.
Seeds.
And what I love, when I came out here, I told everybody, we did a pasture walk last week, and last week, and everybody kept telling me, oh my gosh, his raised beds are beautiful. I said, I'm gonna go down there and film him for you guys. What I love is that you guys notice he has no watering system set up.
No.
So how are you watering them?
It takes a lot of water in these raised beds because it'll be dry in no time.
Okay.
So I just got my water hose. I do use a fertilizer or fish fertilizer. It's all natural from Alaska, and it's
Have you sprayed any pesticides?
no pesticides.
And I didn't know, because when I came down,
Don't look good right now is the okra.
mine's doing that right now too, so there must be something that's predatorizing okra this time. Look, I'll bring you some rabbit urine. I'm fixing to spray my okra down tonight.
Yeah.
I'll bring you some rabbit urine. It deters pests. They hate it. They hate it.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like using no kind of pesticides or nothing like that. But yeah.
Wow, this is beautiful, Wade.
I'm really impressed with the tomatoes.
Yeah, I wanted to show everybody.
Gonna have all kind of bell peppers.
Oh, look at these bell peppers.
Yep, 5 weeks old. 5 weeks old. If
Yeah.
anybody, I can't believe it's 5 weeks old.
It's gorgeous. What my mom said, she said, my gosh, look at his garden. I said, I know he lost everything with the freeze, so he must have replanted.
Oh yeah, I replanted everything. I probably got 30 or 40 tomatoes on these plants.
Yeah, look at
I
that.
can't believe how good the tomatoes do.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're doing good.
And we've been talking, we're trying to get people to understand, Mr. Wade, that healthy soil
Yeah.
will deter pests. And they can't seem to understand that, like if they're doing raised beds or tilling the soil or no-till. However you're growing your garden, guys, if you'll get your soil healthy, and like he said, this is rotted hay.
Rotten hay.
And the cows, you said cows probably pooped on it, chewed on it.
Right.
So probably got some old cow manure in it.
15 years old.
That's it, 15 years old. Can you imagine the worms that have gone through that hay and dropped their castings? This soil's so healthy that none of his plants, but a little bit on the okra, and I'm getting that in my garden, so there's just a pest this time of year. But look at these plants. No pesticides at all.
None at all.
And no commercial fertilizers. So healthy soil produces healthy plants.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. I was so impressed.
These are, I don't know if you know what a Christmas butter bean is.
No.
I tried to find, I used all the seeds I had. They're blue. They like a butter bean, but they call Christmas butter beans. You can get them right there in A.M.E. at Ace Hardware is where I got these. And that's what these are. The first 3 rows is the Christmas butter beans.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're doing good. I didn't expect them to get, but I'm telling you, it's the dirt.
And see, I'm having, like with me, with the compacted red clay, it's like what you have right here is what my soil would be producing for me in 3 or 4 more years.
Yeah, right.
As my hay keeps every year, new hay down, new rotted horse manure, all that. We're putting the rabbit manure every year, gets about another inch down with just that good black topsoil. And so that's what we're aiming for. But I wanted to show you guys in Louisiana, You can use so many different things, guys, to grow your food in. Look at this. I mean, it's beautiful. The way he's got it set up is so symmetrical.
Yeah, those are old antique washing machine tools.
I love that, with the drain holes already in them.
Yeah.
You even have a storage bin. I mean, my dad's like this. My daddy will turn anything into a bed. But it's beautiful. I mean, it really is. This was so pretty that as people were coming down, they were like, that guy down there. And I was like, I'm going to get a video for y'all. Because I was so impressed. My parents were impressed. This is how you secure food for you. And he's got an elderly aunt that he takes care of. He's, you know, just securing food right here. There's enough food. He's not going to starve. Oh, that's beautiful. Is that what sweet corn did you go with?
I have to go look on the bag and I still have some seeds. I think it's 90. They just call it 90 something.
Because that's pretty. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's really coming along.
I'm doing something called Nirvana sweet corn from Haas.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see how that works this year. I'm also doing the black oil sunflower seeds
Okay, yeah.
for food for the animals through the winter. So I told Stephen, if I want to raise livestock, I don't want to have to continue to buy bagged feed. Like, that's a waste. That's a waste. Well, we appreciate you letting us film your amazing garden. Really, really beautiful garden. Look at this, guys. It's gorgeous. We appreciate it, Wade. Thank you. This is beautiful. So that's cantaloupe, and so you've actually got it in a pot.
Yeah.
So for everybody that keeps asking, can I container grow cantaloupe? The answer is yes.
Oh, yeah.
And look,
Yeah.
he does what I do at my house. He uses the trees on his property to give these new young plants a little bit of shade as they're taking off, guys.
Yeah, they get morning, everything gets morning sun, and that's
Yeah.
I think it's ideal.
I do too.
I think it's ideal.
I hope you guys enjoyed our local farm tour right down the road from my house with Mr. Wade. Guys, I tell you all the time, use whatever you have in your hands to produce food. We all don't have to do it alike, but we all do need to make sure that we have food in the ground. Things are coming, unexpected things, but that is what we're all feeling. So do it however you can do it. Now, he did it organic. He did it with fish emulsion and rotted hay and cow manure in his raised beds. And you saw the plants. That is a totally organic garden. And that's what I'm hoping for all of you. The healthier the soil, the healthier the food. The healthier the food, the more nutritious it is for you, your family, your neighbors, and your livestock. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for rowing in our boat and letting us row in yours.